One thing I want to mention is the last week, once or twice, I got the buzzing noise that I hear in my head that I did in the past get used to, but because it's been a while since I've been practicing, I'm starting to get it again. And usually when I start getting that buzzing noise, I can have maybe a 50% chance of exiting my body. So the thing is I start getting scared when I have it again because I feel like I'm going to be stuck in there forever. So look at this. Like I don't practice and I lose my confidence, but it'll come back. So basically, when I get that feeling in my head, I got two things that are going on in my head. One saying, you know what type of noise that is, it's okay. And then the other one saying, what happens if I get stuck with that noise in my head forever? So I got to get over that again. But at least I'm getting there. Getting close.